Alright, so let's talk about this standalone Livescope pole that I got on my Garmin Force. So this piece here, this is my old motor guide, trolling motor, as you guys can see there. Still got the foot pedal down there to turn that. Wireless Garmin Force pedal, can go anywhere on the boat since it's wireless when I want to use it. So this piece here is 1/2 inch HDPE. I bought a 12 by 12 inch board, and then I had to cut it into shape. I used the stabilizer bar as a guide on how I wanted to trace and drill the holes. And then, as you guys can see here, it's on pretty well. So as I'm shaking the pole, it's shaking the boat, so it's pretty sturdy. Got a 1 inch ram ball mount here, and then this is like a bike or a handlebar 1 inch ball collar, and then this is just my ram arm. Use it to stabilize it a little bit. So it took me a while to cut that plate out. So my second plate that I cut out, it made my Livescope pole sit too far back from the trolling motor, so I had a feeling like I was gonna get some interference when I deployed it. So I cut this one out and angled it up just a little bit, so it's kind of like leveled with the trolling motor shaft itself. And I moved my Livescope back into the center. I had it over here before, but you know, it kind of bothered me a little bit. And if I had it in the center, I can clean up the wiring rings a lot better. So as you guys can see here, I got this is for my transducer on the bottom of the Garmin Force GT54. And then for the foot pedal for the Livescope pole, I ran all my wires through with the power cable and the transducer cable from the Garmin Force. Clean it up really nice. So, you know, not a lot of not that much of a mess here. Everything's cleaned up pretty well. And deploying it and stowing it is really easy with the dual shocks on the Garmin Force. So I do not see any issues with that. Total cost, I have seen same trolling motor from Motor Guide on Facebook Marketplace for 100 bucks. So 100 bucks, let's say 100 bucks for a trolling motor. And then the board here was around 20 bucks. I got these spacers here from my boat trailer, as you guys can see here. So this is the boat to trailer. So these are the spacers from that they provide. So I didn't use these, so I used that as a spacer because I bought some new bolts and they were just a little bit too long, so I had to fill the gap. And then on both sides we have one collar on each side here. The shaft is 1 3/8 inch in diameter, so everything fits pretty well, as you guys can see here. And yes, I still run the LVS 32. It works for what I want, so it's been working really well for the last few years. But yeah, this is just a quick video on my standalone Livescope pole. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to reach out, and I'll see you guys out on the water.